When you are connected on a call, you can perform an attended or introduced transfer to another party. To initiate an attended transfer, press the TRAN key. This will automatically place the original caller on hold. You can then use the dial pad to enter the number you would like to transfer to. Then press the green answer key to initiate the call. When the person answers, you can introduce the call. Then to complete the transfer and connect the parties, press the Transfer Soft key. You will see the calls disappear from your phone when the two parties are connected. If you have started a transfer and the second party does not answer, or they have answered but do not wish to accept the transfer, use the left-hand side End Soft key to cancel the transfer, and you will be reconnected with the original caller.